With the coronavirus pandemic affecting one and all, there are major questions regarding China's role. The US state of Missouri has sued China's leadership over its handling of the coronavirus. Missouri is seeking damages over what it describes as deliberate deception and insufficient action to stop the pandemic by China. This is the first case of a US state suing China over the coronavirus pandemic, accusing China of unleashing a bioweapon in the form of the novel coronavirus or not doing enough to contain the spread of COVID-19 in Wuhan and allowing it to become a global one at that. The coronavirus pandemic has forced lockdowns across the globe, bringing businesses to a halt. The International Monetary Fund estimates that the total loss to the world economy due to the novel coronavirus pandemic could be around $9 trillion. But the question is, can China be sued over the coronavirus pandemic? Despite a rising number of lawsuits in the US, expert opinion in the country is that there is not enough legal backing to sue China in the wake of the coronavirus-induced economic crisis. The lawsuit's chances of success are far from certain, as US law, under the principle of sovereign immunity, generally forbids court action against foreign governments. A legal doctrine called sovereign immunity offers foreign governments broad protection from being sued in US courts. A new law came into being in 1976, the Foreign Sovereign Immunities Act. There were two new points in that law. One, instead of the government, courts would decide on the question of legal liability. And secondly, private players could be sued. But People's Republic of China is a sovereign country, and the law allows a defendant based outside the country to avoid responding to any court summons. China has denied all allegations and is certain to junk all summons, if any, are ever sent to China. Then comes the international law. A German tabloid said China owes $162 billion to Germany as compensation due to the economic losses caused by the novel coronavirus pandemic. China dismissed the charges as xenophobic. There is, however, a window in international law that, if one argues, can fix liability on China over the spread of the coronavirus from its cities to more than 190 countries, infecting millions and causing losses of trillions of dollars to world economy. The World Health Organization's International Health Regulations 2005 is being referred to in order to assert that China violated its international obligations. The allegation is that China tried to suppress information of the novel coronavirus outbreak to the extent of harassing doctors and health workers who raised an alarm over COVID-19 in December itself. Another allegation is that China has been parsimonious in sharing information about the behavior of the novel coronavirus and clinical experience in handling COVID-19 cases. China has been denying all such allegations, even as world leaders, including President Donald Trump and French President Emmanuel Macron, question China's role in tackling the spread. China's denial nullifies the allegation of violation of international health regulations, as Article 56 of the same says legal liability through arbitration can be fixed only if the country consents to it. There is more. The WHO Constitution is also being referred to. This provision does not require the consent of the defendant country. A member country will have to establish or create doubt that China deliberately withheld information from the WHO and the international community at large. Article 63 of WHO Constitution provides legal basis for this route. Though this provision talks about official reports, which China allegedly did not publish as transparently as required, it also makes it desirable for a member state to inform the world body promptly. The charge against China is it did not inform WHO promptly and accurately about the novel coronavirus infection. But will the WHO accept questions against China that led to the global health pandemic and give responses to the world community, this even as the global community has been grappling with the crisis? China did little to stop the spread of the novel coronavirus. This is the thrust of the argument in a lawsuit filed by the American state of Missouri, naming People's Republic of China, among others, as a defendant. The lawsuit claims the Chinese act of negligence could cost Missouri tens of billions of dollars and seeks cash compensation for the same.